Oh, I think someone just interrupted our video. Sorry, sorry for that. Okay, Nyame, Mfanche Kakra. They have some error in let's say. Mfanche, we are back. 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 Sorry for that. Okay. Sorry for the interruption. Okay. We are back. Yeah. Hello, wonderful fans. We are back again. We're sorry for the error. Okay. Share more. Mfanche, we are back. We're back again. Yeah. Koku Jordan, JD, you're watching us. I see you, Charlie. Big I see you. Thank you for watching. Mfanche, any error kakra network nimtino. It just ended the one we were doing. We're very sorry for that. Okay. Princess Adinike want to join. Okay, let me add you, Princess. Yeah, always around for you. Okay. Yeah. Lucy is watching. Hadia, I see you. I see you. I see you. I see you. I'm TP Zanibi. Are. Mama, welcome. Sorry, Pastor, I see you. It is watching. I see you. Thank you very much for coming. Let me show you some about. Let me show you about. 172 people video right now. Thank you very much. Please come. We're sorry for that. We had an error in the network. Sorry. You look good. Koku Jaden, thank you very much. So much funny. Isaac, I see you. Uncle Isaac, I see you. Hello. Hello, please. Hi, Akete. Akete, say hi. Say hi. Hey, live video. Akete is cute. Thank you very much. What's up? Thank you for coming, please. Looking good. Thank you. Our last live video just ended with a connection error. We're very sorry for that. Thank you for coming. Christabel, hi, how are you doing? Akete Mpeninsem, what's up? Good afternoon, guys. Big ups to you. Thank you very much for coming. You guys are doing great. Mami, Shera, thank you very much. Our number will be pinned again. Our number will be pinned. Be pinned right now, okay? I think sorry. Our number will be pinned right now for the birthday wishes, and also if you want to help us in the donation, the number is pinned right now. Is there to help us in the donation you'll be doing on Wednesday. It's my birthday on Wednesday, as I said, but your birthday donation, you celebrate any the fans. Let's say our team to celebrate there be or see who say man nibino they need us most. So but what's me say on this birthday we make some donation, that is food and some drinks for the less privileged of Kumasi. The location is Pachawa Kumasi. You can join us. Kumasi, you can join us. Our location will be at Amakom traffic lights and Kase traffic light. Thank you very much for the advice. I'm sure painful things to face is video show when you have data. If means you Bernard, come again, okay? Yeah, all you guys did. This is my location here. Amakum traffic lights and also Kase traffic light. On a check. They come out when you be and so I say, yeah, for my birthday. Your number is pinned right now. The number is pinned. It's pinned there. Because see about when a pizza case here near the more to tell me and now. Okay. So this is our number. It's pinned over there. If you join us, you can for the wishes, any wishes. If you want to wish Beyou comedy, you wish us through there. Musabe can't Beyou comedy. You wish us through there. That number that's pinned. The name is Manodonko. If you want to help us, any wishes, any gifts for Beyou to support what he's doing, you can do that for us. Thank you very much for doing that. Beyou TJ Nkoda, I've been you. I've been authority. Oh, you guys want to join? Okay, I'm adding you. Please, if I add you, just pick up. Okay, please. Yes. What? You got Ali, just pick up again. Okay. Hello.
Hello, Akete Mpeninsem. Hello.
See what's on.
Oh, yeah. I'm calling you guys from South Africa.
Okay. Thank you very much.
I'm calling you guys from South Africa.
Hello, please.
Yeah, I'm from South Africa.
South Africa. Okay, I can just say hi, South Africa.
Hi.
Hello, Akete. Akete Mpeninsem.
Yeah. Okay.
I really love you guys, your videos a lot. I always watch your videos.
I can say you love you so much.
I love you too, Akete.
I love you too.
So what's your name, please?
What's your name?
My name is Felicia. Felicia. And I saw you from me. Mefia.
Mefia, we are gonna need. Okay.
I have some more.
Monday.
Video there's not a single day I'm watching a video.
Oh wow.
What shall you say?
I know.
You know what?
No, I can say I can say it's in your man. I know. So far, just you know, I was in your mama on once in your man. Mon once in your man. And also,
So what's your best video you've watched about Beyou comedy?
My best video was the one that
network. Hello. I think he's having a bad network. Oh, sorry, Felicia. Join us again, okay? Continue with that guest, okay? I'll eat. Come and collect, Susanna. Okay, Biana. I could just look in. Add me. Oh, okay. I'm adding you. Okay, don't worry. Georgia Wusu, I'm coming. Okay, I'm adding you. Okay. Felicia, thank you for joining. Your network was very bad. But anyway, thank you for joining us. Okay. Thank you very much. Sarah, see you. I love the little girl, Akete. Love you too.
I love you.
I love you too. Our number is pinned there for any birthday wishes or helping us in our donation we are just about to do on Wednesday. On the 8th of September is my birthday. But I'm going to say good days now. Your wishes is needed. Your gifts are needed. Okay. First time watching you guys live. You guys are doing the most. Give it up. Thank you very much. More. You didn't meet me more. Sandra, pick up. I'm adding you. Okay. Sandra, I'm adding you. Okay, Sandra is coming. Sandra. Hello, Sandra. Hello, Sandra. Hello, Sandra. It's on Kakaza. Okay, sorry.
Akete, how are you?
I'm fine.
Hey, this afternoon you are collecting your face, so.
Manunji Biaben, then you can see your sister.
But you and your uncle, you guys are collecting your face. Oh yes, I'll eat.
Take. So where are you calling from?
I'm from Western Central.
Okay.
I hope
So
you
tell
know
us your best video is better about Beyou comedy.
I like Akete so much. Every time I just watching a video. Hey.
Okay.
Akete.
So what's your best video you've watched about Akete and Beyou?
Just said I love you guys. You just keep it on. Okay.
Okay. Thank you very much. Okay. God bless you for joining us.
No thanks. Bye.
Bye. You say
Bye.
bye. Bye. Bye. Bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye.
Okay. I love this live because our fans are responding to us. Yeah. So can I join you? So if you share gift. I see the location is you can join us. Everybody is welcome. If you want to see Akete's weapon live and to be his weapon live, all the Beyou comedy crews weapon live on Wednesday. The time is 1 p.m. Location Amakom traffic light and also Kasi traffic light. You guys are all welcome. Obiambra. Please, you guys should invite me. Why? I never. As long as I get there, we invite. Somebody are watching big ups. Pizza man joint. Nana Fiatili. Okay. Let me join you. Let me join you, guys. You can join us, please. Just send a request, okay? I'll add you guys. Time with France. Be you comedy time with France. Accept me. Benjamin, I'm not seeing your request to Ben. Benzi. Let me check and see. Okay, Benzi, I'm adding you. Benzi, I'm adding you, okay? Pick up. Add me. Simo Aite. Just send a request. God bless you, my little girl. God bless you too. Happy birthday to you. Nana Kwame, thank you very much. Sister Akete, much love. Mwah. Thank you very much for the love. I'm adding you. Just pick up, okay, please. Add me, Beyou. Nana Apia, please send a request, okay? See the way Akete is eating the pizza. Odidio for Sina. Also, on the match. So, I'm going to the You're not picking up. Why? Honorable, I'm adding you, okay? Pick up. Honorable, I'm adding you, okay? Uncle B, God bless you abundantly for helping Akete. Angela, thank you. You're also welcome. Watching you live from CM in Eastern region. Love Japan. Okay, big ups. Add me. I'm adding you, I'm not picking up. How be you? This Pastor Enoch from Tema Newton. I just want to set time up, Max. Keep it up. Okay, thank you very much, Enoch. Thank you very much, Pastor Enoch. God bless you so much. So that they feel you guys. They feel it too. Let me show you. Keep on supporting Beyou comedy to the world. Okay, add me. I'm adding you and I come, why? Oh God. Francis, let me add Francis and see. Can't bring Francis on camera. Okay. Honorable, please pick it. Okay. No answer. I'm in Thailand. Nana Gel. Thank you, my girl Akete. So our donation number is pinned over there. I let my princess join Akete. Okay, Cindy. I'm not seeing your request here. That's why I'm not adding you guys up, Cindy. Please just send a request, okay? You do. Oh, thank you very much. Thank you. Uncle B, happy birthday in advance. May your hearts desire come true. Thank you very much, Angela. Good work. Thank you, Nana Gel. Akete, what's there? How are you too? You're doing great, I'm sure. Accept me. Oh, Benzi, I've added you didn't pick up or why? You're off, please. Vivian, happy birthday to you. May God bless you. Thank you. How are you, Akete? Akete is doing great. Hello, good afternoon. Good afternoon. How are you? What is your name? How old are you? What do you want to become in future?
I want to be a nurse.
Akete want to be a nurse in future. Super Akete Mpeninsem, watching you all the way from Sakumodo, I see you. Hey, Akete Mpeninsem, you are enjoying power. By the way, it could be you. You guys are looking. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you. Please share, please share, please share, please share. Share for us, okay? Nyamishamo. Okay, add me. Oh, if I add you guys, you're not coming. No. Why? Oh, Charlie, Abigail, Abigail. I can teach Beyou more sense. Hey, Apia, oh no, Amari, you're not coming. Yes. No. Yeah, you called me. Hello. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Hello.
Akete.
Yeah. Akete, say hi.
Akete Mpeninsem.
No. Talk to her. Yeah, hello.
Hello. Akete,
Hi.
you are fine. My friend, my shamu free Asama.
It seems your network is very bad.
Network.
Ashama. Okay. Thank you. Minka. Okay, hello. They're trying to add people, but seems the request here is very less, but I think people want to join us. Yeah. Our number is plain, okay? Save the dates. The comedy is having a birthday. The 8th of September, this Wednesday is my birthday. We love you all. We love you all. We love you all. Be comedy to the world. So, wonderful fans, I want you guys to tell us your best. Cosimario, I see you. My superstar. Ejo Nyame, hitmaker. Cosimario. Okay. So, Cosimario, school. In Yagia, school. Next year, remember, Sama hated you. The fans were landing. But Misoki Akete, we are no water. Free mood. So, Philip, I'm a high friend. Cosimario, I see you. Big house. Phone. Modern light. Watching you live from Israel, Holly. Cosimario, big house. We love you, okay? Akete, my love. How are you? Akete, I'm fine.
I'm fine.
Oh, him, Akete said he's fine. Okay, people want to join us. I'm adding you, okay? Don't worry. Let me call Francis. Francis, pick up. Simoayeti. I can't see your request, so that's why I'm not adding you guys. I'm sorry for that, okay? Wow, my daughter's birthday is 8th of September to London. Okay, Faustina. Thank you. Hello. No.
Yeah, good evening, Mr. Beyou.
Yeah,
Oh, Yami Adumo. Hey, Akete, nice to say.
But Jose. Hello.
Obama, let's hello, Obama Power. Let's fill in the fire.
Okay. Nyamisha pa. Na ta jefe ba ba jo.
Na mbacho me kasa for tema.
Tema. Okay. Mate. It has a pass. So pay asempa. Pay asempa. Pay asempa.
Ba nga kiti metena mi home for nka kama pa me hu.
Ta jibato my 3 videos. Okay. As I
Oh, I am me fair.
My 3 videos I'll hear about you comedy of 3 videos, but 3 videos I'll hear of it.
But Jose,
my 3 videos I'll share who I hear of 3 videos.
Bakubia na wote wokoto ensemble na wako didi ayi a wato nsu agu.
Okay. 1, akabe you know.
That is one.
Yeah.
The second one, any bakuna o say on Friday. Officer wa say o mano na boy na buy a o say on fa ko hinta onu so e ko ye bu adwuma o de buy.
Yeah. That's good.
So last one. Baby a o ko budget scale or town. Now o got no. And so baby a o be here 14 no.
I can see
Na
you love
also
good
kwa
comedy.
vote a okwa obekwu ho no ma wa fa card no dey hinta no. Oye cha.
Yeah, that's it. Oh, thank you very much. Okay, I'm sharp. God bless you. Okay.
Yeah. That one there. Yeah, wo.
So thank you for joining us. Okay, God bless you so much. Bye. I'm trying to add people. Nana, yeah. Hello. I have a gift for Akete, please. Prosper. We have pinned our number there, so you can check it up and see. But please, the number is for, let's say, for all our fans, but just share more for a reason. Just contact us. If anything, how do we do business with you, please? Please DM us, okay? You pin the number there. So for business, you can pin that number. You can contact the number. Any advertising, we are willing to do any adverts for very cool price. And also, if you want to, let's say, wish Beyou on his birthday, the number is pinned there. If you want to support us in the donation we are doing on Wednesday on my birthday, you can take that number too. That's pinned over there. So it's Wednesday time, 1 p.m. Location, Amakum traffic light, and also Kasewa traffic light. You guys are all invited. You can come in number to support the comedy. Akete is coming live, so if you want to take pictures with us, we are always welcome. You're welcome to our place. Just come over. We are there. Hello, Akete. I love you. We love you too. I'm from Ghana, but I live in Italy. I send you my number so that I can chat? Prosper, hit that number that is pinned over there. Pin that number pinned over there. You can pin that number, okay? We have business to do, okay? Okay. 4 people want to join. Let me add you guys. Hello. Good evening from Qatar. Okay, Razak, I will do. I see you. Watching your live. Farida Brown, watching you. I can stop punishing Uncle Beyou. I allow him to bring girls to your house. Dexter was able to easy money. I'm young for any day. They say we move. Please, I want to talk to you, Akete, please. Oh, I can't add you. I don't know why I can't add people here. Sorry. By Amino. Oh, those who adding up. I think that the least people that can add is 3. And also, Idris Latif watching you live from my Malcolm. I love you more. Latifa, I see you, okay? I see you. Big ups. Much love, Latifa. Thank you, guys. Okay. Chama in here, I check you rough. I'm also doing comedy. But how do I make it? Nana Kwame gentle. All I can tell you is I'm falling into so be a bed, what pushy and what trendy. You meet my catch one and say, yeah, Juma ding. Never give up. And YouTube is all about consistency. Consistency on YouTube. So my videos no day any creative. Maybe you'll be video, be creative. Say short span about 1 minute and it's catchy, very entertaining. I think that will catch the attention of the audience. So work hard, never give up, keep pushing up, and also be consistent on YouTube. All I can tell you is that big house, bro. Sammy and Sammy from Accra is still watching you live. Keep it up. Thank you very much. Santo Boache. Got my number. Okay, I miss you guys. Comfort, you miss you too. Okay. My number is pinned over there. For any help for our donation, the number is pinned over there. Akete, my babe, please accept my call. Oh. I can't see your request here. That's why I can't accept it. I'm sorry. Yes. About 4. Akete, do all watching you. Okay, Samia J from Spain, I see you. Hi, how are you? You doing great? Comfort, you doing great? Watching you, okay? I just like your comedies. Parts Osei, Druwa, thank you. Big ups, okay. 8 September is my birthday. 8 September is my birthday. It's my Oh, God. Oh. Okay. Yeah, I really love you guys, but always make me happy. See my watch out for more videos, okay? In NBA. How are you doing, Sister Wendy? Wendy is doing great. Wendy said I'm fine.
I'm fine.
Okay. Razak, please accept my request. Check and see. Okay, shower. Okay, I'm adding you. Okay, don't worry. Showers. Pick up, showers. I'm adding you. Hi.
Hi.
Yeah, sorry for keeping you long. Okay.
No problem. No problem.
Okay. Thank you for joining.
Thank you too. You're welcome.
You're welcome.
Yeah.
What's up?
Cool. I'm very happy to be live with you.
Oh wow. You're also happy for that. Okay.
I really enjoy your skits. Yeah,
Okay. Thank you very much.
we pray that God will bless and understand you.
Okay. So please, where are you calling from?
I'm calling from Accra.
Accra. Oh, okay. We have fans at Accra. Okay, Accra. Hi, Accra.
Hi, Accra.
But we are in Kumasi, America. Yeah.
Yeah, I was at Kumasi. I was at Kumasi before I moved to Accra.
Okay.
Okay.
Catch the meeting. Back on boy. Also, catch much. Okay, catch much. Yes.
Sister, the power.
I can just start depending what. You know, I is a kid now. I was also Accra, so it's just 4 years. Yeah. So I think you are best, our best fan, right? You love our videos.
Yeah, seriously.
Okay, so just give us 3 videos to watch. That's very nice of you, like from us.
The first one is Akete Slave Queen.
Trending comedian at the moment.
The second one is the Momo one. No? The Momo one, the one
What?
she said the one she said you should send her Momo, and then you said you can't hear.
Would you mean? Okay.
And then the third one, the voter's ID.
Oh wow.
I really enjoy your skits.
Oh,
God
okay.
bless you.
You're welcome. God bless you too. Keep supporting us again.
We are waiting to celebrate you on your birthday. We are waiting.
Okay, so the number is pinned over there. Any wishes you want to wish us, any gifts, any help is there. Okay, you can contact anytime. Okay.
Okay. I was the one who also asked that how do we do business with you? Know? So I think I'll take the number and then.
Okay, no problem. You're always welcome. Okay.
Thank you very much.
Thank you for calling. Okay.
Thank you very much. We
Bye.
love you. I give you a say bye.
Say what's here.
What's here?
Okay, bye. People are asking to join. Kukua, we are adding you up. Okay, Kukua. Kukua, you're adding. Okay, please just pick up. You said we should pick you guys up, but you're not coming. Kukua, I'm adding you up. Please pick up. Oh, okay, no problem. Kukua is not picking up. Sister the past saying, Akete. Hey! Nana was Kumani Nana GH. And I was I see you. Chronum Capra Hineba. I see you, Charlie. I see you, bro. Kumani Nana GH, I see you, bro. Big house, Charlie. Keep on supporting Beyou comedy. That's my former schoolmate, Jamaica Kenya Senior High School, way back 2014. Big house, bro. Much love. Superstars. Good. Oscar. Sister the person. Who's your sister the person? Sister the power. Oh, what? Sister the baby and sister the person. Almost sister the person. Akete. I'm coming. Okay. Abafia. I think I have to add Abafia. Baby, I'm coming. Okay, I'll add you very soon. I really love Akete. Thank you very much for loving us. Added me, please. I want to talk to Akete. Oh yeah. Please add me. Wanda, send your request again. Love you too. Akete, what's up? Please add me. I think people are joining, but they don't want to come. That is keeping people from adding. Please, you can add up, okay? Add now. Add us now. You pick up. Comfort. Comfort. Who's first? Oh, Benzema, you're not picking up. Why? Your camera is not working, Benzema. May God bless you and Akete increase your words. Please follow us on Instagram, Beyou Comedy Official. Add me, why? And the girl. I'm not seeing your Fafa. I'm not seeing your request here. Fafa, I'm sorry for that. Okay. Let me just clear it and see if you can come over. Please add up again, okay? Fafa, I'm not seeing your request here. Kumani na GH, yeah, kumani ni camera. Kumani, I'm coming, okay? I'll add you very soon. Akata fwa bua no chenku, eh. Jina bontin ye eh. Kumani na GH, I'm coming. Bro, pick up. Oh, there's already a guest in this broadcast. Oh, nobody's here. Why? Facebook, why are you doing this? Oh, why? People are not coming. Hello, I'm coming, okay? Please, it's fucking up here. Kumani, just add up again, okay? Add up again, please. How do I add? Just in a rush. Fafa, tap on the request, like request to join is over there. Just tap on it, it will come in. Add me, please. Comfort. Have some scripture. Alexander, pin that number there, okay? Pin that number there. God bless you so much for joining. Connection failed. Kumani, join again. Kumani, join again, please. I'm waiting for you, bro. Network was bad. I'm sorry for that. Susanna, I'm adding you pick up. Yes. Yeah, I'm also a big chatty.
Oh yeah.
I'm more chatty. I really love Akete comedy. Yeah, hello.
Hey, Akete.
Hi.
Everything.
I'm fine.
Tell you who you.
Wow, hey, what did you know I'm mommy?
What did you pizza, man?
What did you know I'm mommy?
My thing is
What did you know? Oh.
I know why.
Hey, that's the course one.
Let me count.
no,
Oh, come on, I can't. What did you do?
Oh, hey, what did that drum concert? So we decide what, mommy.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, that's right. Matty, I know you, Matty. Oh, a radition, what?
Amen.
Yeah, what Jordan, you know, some more for
That's a friend.
Patrick Jordan.
Jordan. Oh, wow. Jordan, for you, big house. We love you all, Charlie.
Okay.
Thank you for supporting.
Well,
So, what's your best two videos you watch? Be comment. 2 videos, best videos.
me Patrick, the video be a be your tone looks smart. Also to be, I also won't talk. I'll go for police to buy.
Wow.
I know about so now we go do most of the also minister also uniska. Would you know the session with talk about no not with five cities at all.
Why they ben Ayla? So me dia okay. Wow, I wrote that video. Thank you very much.
Okay.
Thank you for calling.
Okay, bye.
Say bye.
Bye.
You don't have to know. Hey, Nana Bonzu, I'm coming. Come on, Nina GH. I see you, Charlie. I'm coming live, bro. Bro, just pick up. My old schoolmates. Pick up, bro. Pick up, bro, please. What's up? What's that?
Nah, bro, shall I watch you, bro?
Ah, bro, long time, bro.
What do you do it here?
Bro,
I get it.
Who's a commenter?
I get
Charlie,
it.
my bro is here, Charlie.
I get it.
Hey, Akete, sorry. That's it.
I get it.
What's here?
My boo, me besa me boo.
Charlie. I've been watching
Charlie,
videos too, Charlie. I'm watching them, I'm following them. Yeah.
Bro, you so. Na YouTube for na be na report no doors. When you know some get you, bro.
Charlie, send it down. For videos, they will copyright you. That which will strike your channel down. Yeah, na. Abo mo steady kakra so.
Yeah, you some get you.
Asemo.
You know some get you, bro. Na some get you buy befa.
Na go to Akete.
Hey, what's him why? Hey, as him why I can't social media. You're rough.
Don't talk.
Me also one time. As him why I can't social media.
But I'm hype worker. Let me hype you. Subscribe. Kumani ni Nana G. Come on.
Why doing?
Come on.
Beyou. Hey, boy. We bad boy, bro. You feel.
Charlie, the hustle is real.
Charlie, big up going out to what you know. Big ups, bro. I'm sure, eh?
Mama.
Akete. Bibi come on. What's it? Bibi Empire. Not the offer. Because be at you. What's it? You start to get what?
About for. Or sister, the pound to say.
Sister, why? Oh, where am I? Now, Beyou, wouldn't be.
Let me tell you.
I'll probably free US by your now buy a practice here.
Yep.
And when you didn't come as I know, say, if you USA banner, Madame to be Chromebook as a man father and Madame for back. You say, I cry at US and what to say, no for back to US. Into what US and I was in bra. Every US and I buy was and yes, I wouldn't go fear do. I say, US one a day. Go fear the back open.
The whole US can see now go fear the back open.
The whole Kofiadu. I wouldn't Kofiadu. That is the Kofiadu back open. I say, I probably fine.
As a more, Charlie.
That's a more, bro. That's one day. Yeah, that's one day. Yeah, at the power. They said, yeah, you're blocking to a pro at the power.
So also he started soon.
This started when this is my bro.
So Accra.
At the packet. So who's a rainy castle or Accra? Nothing was here with my department. So what I said.
My pen, I pin that number there. You can pick that number. Let's chat over there. Okay, after this call.
All right, bro.
Thank you for calling.
Big up. Yeah, Beyou.
Bye. Yeah. Any school more. Okay, who's adding up? Okay. Benjamin, I'm coming, okay? You guys are joining. Fafa, I'm coming, okay? I'm adding you. Fafa, I'm adding you, okay? Fafa is not online. Sorry. Add me. Okay, Fafa, you're here. I see you. You're coming.
Hey.
Oh. Hello.
Akete.
Up there. I can see hello.
Hello.
Selena.
Say hello to Akete.
Also,
Akete.
Hello.
We love you so much.
Say I love you too.
My children are saying hello.
Say hello to them.
Hello.
Hello to you.
Hello. Live now.
Oh, that's a me main and so Akete acting